Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey of enlightenment and ancient wisdom. Today, we embark on a quest to explore the hidden secrets of the initiates of the flame, the keepers of an eternal light. Prepare to be captivated by the profound history, the legacy of demigods, and the universal flame that binds them all. Join us as we delve deep into the pages of history and uncover the timeless truths that have shaped our world. Stay tuned for an adventure like no other, for the journey of 1,000 flames begins with a single spark. It's a matter often overlooked in the contemporary world, but there still exist individuals who, akin to the ancient temple priests, traverse this earth, tending to and safeguarding the sacred flames ablaze on the altar of humanity. These are the purified souls who have relinquished the earthly life to assume the mantle of protectors of the flame, a spiritual essence concealed beneath the ruins of the human temple. Contemplating the past empires such as Greece, Rome, and the magnificence of Egypt, we lament the tales of their downfall. We observe the nations of our era, uncertain about which one will soon clothe itself in the shroud of history and join the ranks of departed civilizations. Nonetheless, amidst the rise and fall of nations, the discerning eye glimpses, beyond the material veil, the hand of justice and the omnipresent reward. These are not human-made rewards but the edicts of the invincible one, the enduring flame. A powerful force emanates from the unseen, orchestrating human affairs. It emanates from the profound spiritual flame nurturing all creations, the ever-burning fire gracing the hallowed altar of the cosmos, the divine fire that embodies the essence of God. Examining the extinct races, we ascertain the reason behind their downfall. The light had waned. Just as the body succumbs to lifelessness when the inner flame departs, so did the temple cease to be the dwelling of a living God when the light was extinguished from its altar. Degeneration, hedonism, malice, and fear gradually infiltrated the souls of Greece and Rome, while Egypt found itself overshadowed by the dark arts of black magic. The radiance on the altar dwindled. The priests lost the word, the very name of the flame. Gradually, the flame dimmed, and as the last glimmer ebbed away, a once mighty nation was interred beneath the cold ashes of its spiritual fire. However, the flame endured. Like the spirit it epitomizes, it is imperishable, for it is life, and life cannot be extinguished. It found a haven in some remote corner of land or sea and became the nucleus around which a great nation emerged. History thus unfolds through the ages. As long as a people remain faithful to the flame, it persists, but when they cease to nourish it with their lives, it journeys to distant realms and other worlds. Those who venerate this flame are now referred to as heathens. Few realize that we, too, are heathens until we are anointed with the Holy Spirit, which is fire, for fire signifies light, and the progeny of the flame are the offspring of light, even as God embodies light. Throughout the ages, there have been individuals who have toiled alongside humanity, guiding them to kindle the spark within themselves, a divine birthright. It is these souls, through acts of self-sacrifice and service, who have roused and nurtured this flame. After ages of study, they have unveiled the mysteries it holds, known today as the initiates of the flame. They have strived for eons to help humanity unearth the light within, leaving their indelible mark on history, a mark of fire. Unacknowledged and unsung, they have toiled for humanity. Their lives are now relegated to the realm of bedtime stories to amuse children, but a time will come when the world acknowledges the work they undertook. Our current civilization rests upon the foundations laid by the colossal demigods of the past. Like Faust, we stand, enriched with knowledge but no wiser than before, for we refuse to embrace the truths they offered and the wisdom born of their experiences. We must honor these sons of the flame not through mere words but by living lives that validate their sacrifices. They have illuminated the path, leading humanity to the threshold of the unknown. Cloaked in robes of glory, they have transcended the veil. Their lives were the key to their wisdom, as it always shall be. They may have departed, but in the annals of history, they stand as milestones on humanity's path of evolution. Let us silently observe these extraordinary figures as they pass before us. First, Orpheus, who played the seven-stringed lyre of his being, creating the music of the spheres. Then, Hermes, thrice great, bearing his emerald tablet of divine revelation. Through the mists of the past, we glimpse Krishna, the illuminated one, who, on the battlefield of existence, imparted to humanity the secrets of their own souls. Thereafter, we encounter the venerable Buddha, whose yellow robe pales in comparison to the radiance of his heart. We see our beloved Master, Jesus, his head adorned with a halo of golden flame, exuding the serenity of mastery. Muhammad, Zoroaster, Confucius, Odin, Moses, and other equally worthy luminaries pass in review before the discerning student. They are the sons of flame. They emanated from the flame and have returned to it. They beckon to us, inviting us to join them, to serve the flame they cherish. Devoid of creed or clan, they serve the singular, grand ideal. They came from the same source, and they return to the same origin. There was no hierarchy among them. Hand in hand, they toiled for the good of humanity. Love for one another was their bond, for the power that elevated them into masters revealed to them the brotherhood of all life. We shall endeavor to unravel the unifying thread, the spiritual thread, the thread of the living fire that weaves through all religions, uniting them under a shared ideal and mutual necessities. In the narratives of the Grail and the legends of King Arthur, we discern this thread, winding around the table of the king and the temple of Mount Salvert. This same thread of existence, which meanders through the roses of the Rosicrucians, intertwines amidst the petals of the lotus, and winds its way around the columns of Luxor. There is only one religion in the entire world, and it is the veneration of God, the spiritual flame of the cosmos. Known by many names in various lands, he is one and the same, the creator of the universe, with fire as his universal symbol. We are the offspring of the flame, emanated as sparks from the wheels of the infinite. Around this flame, we have constructed forms that conceal our inner light. Yet, as diligent students, we are enhancing this light through love and service until it proclaims us once more as the sons of the eternal. Within each of us resides the flame, and the lower self must bow before its altar, serving the higher self. When we serve the flame, we evolve, and the light within us grows, guiding us to our rightful place among the true initiates of the universe, those who have surrendered everything to the infinite, in the name of the flame within. Let us search for this flame and offer it our service, recognizing that it resides in all created things, unifying them as part of the eternal flame, the fire of spirit, the life force of the universe. As we navigate this cosmic voyage, we must remember that the flame, the fire of spirit, is not confined to any specific temple or creed. It is omnipresent, residing within each living thing. The flame connects us, interweaving our destinies and fates in the grand tapestry of existence. In the quest to serve this eternal flame, we become stewards of a sacred trust. We recognize that the service to this divine essence transcends mere rituals or doctrines. It is a profound acknowledgement of the universal truth that binds all of creation. When we serve the flame with devotion and sincerity, we become beacons of its light, illuminating the world with wisdom, compassion, and love. In our service, we not only honor the keepers of the flame from ages past but also lay the foundation for a brighter future for generations to come. So, dear seekers of truth, let us heed the call to discover the flame within us and embark on a journey that unites the past, the present, and the future. Let us be the torchbearers of this enduring light, spreading its warmth and brilliance to every corner of the world. In this shared journey, we shall find purpose, unity, and the realization that we are all integral parts of the eternal flame, the fire of spirit, and the life force that binds the universe together. As we conclude our exploration of the initiates of the flame, remember that the quest for wisdom and enlightenment never truly ends. It is an eternal flame that burns within us, guiding us on a path of continuous discovery and growth. And so, our journey comes to an end, but the flame still burns within us. We've explored the wisdom of the ages, learned from the masters, and walked the path of the initiates. Thank you for joining us in this quest for knowledge and enlightenment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected to the eternal flame. Remember, the flame is within you, and the quest for wisdom never truly ends.